Welcome back to the Politbureau. It's now time for Spinners and Spanners. I purchased this book today. The title forced the reader to conclusion before reading the book. I will be done reading and studying by Sunday, opinion on Monday. That's the tweet from the Finance Minister. This book, Gangster State by Pieter-Louis Myburgh, alleges that the now Secretary General of the ANC and former Free State Chairperson Ace Magashule was central to the corruption in the Free State. Well, the Monday came and the minister did tweet, but his tweet read, "I have read, studied and reflected on Myburgh's book. Given that it raises too many potential legal issues, I've elected not to publish my views. Go read it and make up your mind. Over and out." Guyashisa. In the words of Minister Tito Mboweni, over and out. Join us again next week Sunday. Goodbye.